Guided meditation, the power of water. I visited Chester Cathedral recently, and in the central courtyard, with cloisters all around, discovered a rather fine water feature. It portrays the Bible story, in a rather intimate way, of Jesus and the Samaritan woman at the well. The falling water has a quiet, reverent feel about it. Listen for a few moments. It's on your screen now. In this meditation, we're going to explore the power and energies associated with water. From quiet water features in sacred spaces, through gurgling streams and lapping pools, to fast-flowing rivers and waterfalls. Another journey I made recently was to a Himalayan-style garden near Sevenoaks, where amidst the bustle of child-centred activities I found a quiet rocky pool surrounded by many ferns, which again created a quiet, contemplative atmosphere, both from the small tinkling waterfall and the wind in the trees. Again, listen to this for a few moments to enter into the spirit of this water-based meditation. Focus on the sounds, the images, and the tranquility. Breathe into the peace, slowly and regularly, and prepare yourself for this meditation. Close your eyes and focus your thoughts on the energy of water. We've all experienced many different varieties of power, depth, and location. Breathe regularly as you focus on a particular personal water experience that you can identify with. What's your personal favourite? A gurgling stream, perhaps? A fast-flowing river? Or a roaring waterfall? Picture your own situation now. Focus. Think of the benefits that water brings to us. Life-giving, relaxing, cleansing, energy-bringing through hydroelectric and wave-generated electricity, travel-supporting, and many more positives that you may be able to identify yourself. Focus on these benefits. Give thanks for these benefits. Breathe into these benefits. Picture yourself by a waterfall. It's a reasonable size, with perhaps a fall of over 20 feet, or around 7 meters if you prefer. Think of the energy in the water, constantly falling over the edge. Think of the millions of drops of water, with each drop a source of energy in itself, massing together as they fall, creating a sheet of water, tumbling over the rocky edge of this waterfall. Think of that energy. Think of the power of the waterfall. Focus. And as you sense the sheet of water falling into the pool below, picture yourself standing by this pool. Feel the energy. Listen to the sounds in your imagination. Feel the agitated water lapping at your feet. Now, imagine that you're walking out into this pool with a fine gravel surface below, making it easy and comfortable to walk. Sense the fine gravel and sand between your toes. Pause for a moment to sense the scene around you. The trees, the rocks, ferns, the grasses. Now you're striding out into the water, your legs pushing against the resistance, walking towards the waterfall on the far side of the pool. The water is around waist height now. You're getting close to the tumbling. Feel the power of the tumbling water on your naked back. Feel the cleansing force of the water as it pours over your head. Picture yourself standing in this invigorating flow of water. Feel the energy as it cascades over your body. Absorb its power. Feel the moment. Focus. And now it's time to return through the pool of water, agitated gently, both by the falling flow and by you walking through it. Now you've reached the edge of the pool. Sit on a rock or tree stump by the edge and dry your skin in the warmth of the sun. As you dry, continue to focus on the sound of the rushing waterfall in your vision and imagination. Feel your body recharged with the potent energy, the energy of water. And as this sound gradually fades in your mind, shift your attention to think of the countries around the world who are less fortunate than we are. They may have storms or flooding caused by torrential rain, or even by dams being breached by nature or through war. They still experience the energies of flowing water, but the energies are now beyond control, threatening, destroying, taking life. Focus your attention, your love, on these countries, or a selected country if you prefer, and send love and support to the people who may be affected at this time. Send out your healing love. And at the other extreme, think of the countries who may be overwhelmed with drought at this time, or who have limitations on the supply of clean drinking water. Those countries who are craving for clean, potable water, focus on them now. Send your love and support. Send thanks for WaterAid, Red Cross and other organisations who are assisting with these problems. Send your support, spiritual or even financial. Send your support now. Focus. And now it's time to gradually return to the present moment, focusing once again on your breathing and bringing this back to a normal rhythm. And when you're ready, open your eyes and stretch a little, while still keeping an awareness of the power and importance of water. And also giving consideration to what you can do to help others less fortunate than yourself. I'm Chris Sangster, and it's been a pleasure leading you in this meditative focus on the power and benefits of water. This is one of many Hamblin Vision meditations, covering a wide range of foci. Check them out in our website, thehamblinvision.org.uk. Enjoy. Blessings. Thank you.